Feel like the motherfucking Grim Reaper. Biggest smoke blower. With a motherfucking chimney on my stick. Man, I think we the drums with that. But shit, but we got drums with that. Tryna make before you dumb for that. Stupid. You gon' get a bullet in your lung for that. Stupid. Draco get it kicking light. F&N throw me in the mood sign. 19 in the blue flying. When I sit inside your booth thing, one on water, I'll never die. Loyal to my brothers, I never lie. Call me bird dog, cause I cheat and I fly. And I love winning, I'm upset if it's a tie. Down just to knock him to the floor. Let's go blow, let's go to the floor. When it's time to battle, I'm the first one at the door. With a drink, if nobody move, I don't wanna have to blow. Grabbing that, spit at they show. So I need some help, I got a fetish for the smoke. It get fatal in the bottom, used to rumble in the middle. Hit 'em with a combo, gotta finish him. They can't make the ground since you think you want a grand. Seems like all the models just be falling in my DMs. Cooler on the tech, it get hot like scorch. I burn it, try to straight, I got back. I turn it, one ass nigga. Wanna be a gangster, but he misguided me. I burn it, went against me and they caught